So why should you actually listen to me when it comes to making money online? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Tuesday, June 25th, 2019 is today's current date. So in one of my main affiliate income streams today, I made $1,997. Over the course of the last 4 weeks, I made $8,986. As a ClickFunnels affiliate within the last 30 days, I made $1,328 and $27. With PayPal, I made just over $5,000. So from June 6th to June 24th, $1,000, $2,997.50. With an additional income stream, I made $748 on June 16th, $98 on May 26th, and as stated before, that's basically June 26th will be the last cutoff date. So total within the last 30 days, I made $16,208.27. That's more than that's more than minimum wage in a whole year, right? So turning an annual income into a monthly income. That's why you should listen to me. So let's carry on. So with that being said, that's the type of income you can make with affiliate marketing. And I'm just getting started. Listen, I've been in the game for 2 years. My name is Eric Ellis, the Wolf of Marketing, and $16,000 in a single month is something that I couldn't even fathom. Now, believe it or not, I made over 20 grand this month. So I have additional income streams aside from affiliate marketing. For example, in this video, I did not share how much I make from my YouTube AdSense and a couple other income streams that I do have going on. And what I want you to do is, this video is to inspire you, right? It's to inspire you because at the end of the day, I needed to see that somebody else could do it before I actually built that belief system. Now, I don't want you to think that I'm some super special guy. At the end of the day, I'm actually a high school educated college dropout. I was a DNF student. I was the person who was extremely bad when I was really little. I used to get referrals, I used to get detentions, I used to get all that bad stuff. If you look at me in high school, if you were to talk to a lot of my teachers, right, a lot of people used to tell me, like, to my face, that keep it up, Eric, you're not gonna be successful. They wouldn't even say that. Keep it up and you'll end up like these guys, right? They would kind of compare me to people who went down the wrong path. This just shows you that anybody can succeed within this industry, right? This is what it takes to actually get results. Number one, you need the right vehicle. So many people, right? And that's one of the things that it took me a while to actually kind of take off. So many people are trying to find this shiny object, right? Any vehicle could be the right vehicle as long as it converts, as long as it's ethical, and as long as they give you the materials to actually get results, right? Now, if other people are successful with it, then you could be successful with it, point blank, period. It only takes one person to be successful to show what's actually possible, right? If it's been done by somebody before, there's no excuses. So with that being said, find a product that you want to promote as an affiliate that somebody has already been successful in promoting. Now, once you have found what somebody has been successful in promoting, then the next step is, okay, cool. Let me go ahead and figure out what I got to do to actually promote this product. So with that being said, once you have the right vehicle, what is the next thing, right? You have to stay focused and you have to stay disciplined. Meaning, once you start making money, this is gonna be probably more money than you've ever made in your life, right? So what I would usually do when I'd make that type of money, right? You guys see the Ferraris on my page. You guys see the girls. You guys see, there's the guys. If you guys look on my Instagram, you'll see me throwing money. You'll see me living this baller lifestyle. Yes, I can live that type of lifestyle because that's the type of income I made. But what that did for me, because I wasn't disciplined, it actually put me in some positions when I first started affiliate marketing to where I went broke. And then I had to make it back up again. Instead, guys, stay disciplined, remain disciplined. Do what you don't feel like doing sometimes. You can't bank off of motivation. If you're not motivated to put in work today, it doesn't matter. Who cares if you're not motivated? Put in the work. Do what others aren't willing to do today to have what they won't have tomorrow, right? So that's one quick tip. You have to be willing to put in the work even when you don't feel like it. Remain disciplined. Reinvest your money back into your business. So if you don't know how to do paid ads and you're doing like attraction marketing or you're doing YouTube or whatever that looks like, right? Once you start getting cash flow, once you start making money, the next step is reinvesting that money back into your business to scale that business or to scale your income. So right now, I'm making about 20 grand a month. I'm gonna scale that to 50 grand a month. Then I'm gonna scale that to 100 grand a month. The way I'm gonna do that is with online sales automation, which is leverage, right? I'm leveraging my time, effort, and energy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and run paid ads to scale up that income. Now, before I would go ahead, by the way, that Ferrari is not mine. I had it for a couple of days. It cost $1,000 a day and I could afford it, right? A couple $1,000s per day. I wanted to drive a Ferrari. I wanted to go on the ocean drive, so on and so forth. That's the type of dumb shit I would do when I first got my hands on a lot of money really quickly. Instead, now I'm actually scaling my business. So you guys also see the penthouse in Miami, or you guys may have saw the penthouse in Miami. I was paying over 3 grand a month for that penthouse in Miami, and that was actually splitting with a roommate. So now I live in Medellin, Colombia. It's a lot cheaper. I currently have a pretty dope spot with a mountain view. I have my little setup right there for doing my work. I have my kitchen back there so I can cook my food. I got my bed right there. This is $1,000 a month. So I cut my expenses down to 33% as far as my cost of living for like where I live. What am I doing with that extra money? I'm investing it back into my business. So many people want to live instant gratification. They want to go ahead and get things now. They see all these things. They see all these people with these Ferraris, these cars, so on and so forth. But understanding like instant gratification, like you can get rich quick. But the only way to get rich quick is when you put in work for a long period of time. It compounds and then you get exponential growth and then you get your breakthrough. You get rich quick. For example, what I could do is I could splurge off this 20 grand that I just made this month, or I could reinvest that back into my business, make 50 grand. And then it's gonna start growing fast as shit. But what most people will do, and what I used to do, I'm speaking to personal experience, you spend it, right? So that's another thing. Also, you need a mentor, right? The reason why I've had multiple breakthroughs lately is because I've recently stumbled across somebody whose content resonates with me, and I've gotten mentors, and basically I've been implementing what they've been teaching me, and the results have been going through the moon. So if you want me to be your mentor, I can be your mentor. A mentor doesn't have to be somebody who's actually telling you step by step what to do over your shoulder. Like let's say I had somebody behind me over here, basically kind of, hey, point here, set this up here. Guys, that's not necessarily what a mentor is. Chances are somebody like myself or even somebody of higher stature or higher level, they're not gonna have time to do one-on-one mentorship with you. For those of you who wanna know how much I charge for my mentorship, $1,000 an hour. If you guys wanna go and invest $1,000 an hour, go ahead and comment down below or shoot me a message on Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. and I'll be happy to go ahead and mentor you one-on-one, $1,000 per hour. The reason why, guys, is because I'd rather invest my time on my business, not helping somebody one-on-one. So I create content like this, and I have paid courses and paid programs with my content in it, and then weekly coaching calls with my inner circle. Like I do that so that way I can help more people instead of somebody one-on-one, right? Leverage, the same thing, guys. If you want to make a lot of money, right, you leverage sales funnels so that way you can like leverage your time. That's successful people, that's what they do, they time leverage. So that's a quick little tip, right? You need a mentor, but not only a mentor is think about leverage. How can I leverage my time? So instead of mentoring people one-on-one, the reason why I charge $1,000 an hour, is it worth $1,000 an hour? Absolutely. But, and this isn't a shameless plug, that's to actually steer people away because I don't want to do it. I rather mentor people on a bigger scale. So I put a price point that most people aren't going to be, they're not going to want to pay. Because I don't want my days, I don't want to be spending 8 hours per day mentoring people one-on-one, right? That's just not what I want to do. I want to be scaling my businesses, building my businesses, and then set my certain amount of time to create content, to have my weekly coaching calls, so on and so forth, right? So time leverage. Figure out how you can make more money with less time. Figure out how you can help more people with less time. Figure out how you can serve and impact more people with less time. That is one of the things that have gotten me to where I'm at, right? Some other things, guys, is just patience and persistence. Do not expect it to happen overnight. For those of you who have seen my come up, guys, look at my first YouTube videos. I'll actually leave, I might forget, but I'll try to leave a one of the links down below, one of the videos when I first started affiliate marketing. Guys, I was making jack shit, but I started creating content. I started doing the things necessary to get results. This has been 2 years in the making. I've published over 300 videos on YouTube. I've purchased dozens of courses. I've spent over $30,000 in my online education, and I still failed multiple times. However, eventually I got to the point of where I had my breakthroughs. And the key things that gave me my breakthroughs is mentorship, paid courses, having step-by-step guidance, just basically doing the things and not giving up and being obsessed with learning. But not learning, guys. Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. So if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, whether your goal is just enough money to quit your job, or whether it's to travel the world like I did, or whether it's to make $20,000, $30,000, $50,000, guys, me personally, my goal is to make tens of millions of dollars, and you guys will see it. You guys are gonna follow me, follow my journey. You guys are gonna see the document. I'm gonna be one of the biggest entrepreneurs on this planet. Mark my words. Just mark my words. Hold me accountable to that statement. I will be one of the biggest entrepreneurs, names, recognized entrepreneurs on this planet. Mark my words. You don't believe me? I'll go to hopefully I can replay this video like years down the line and kind of like how Gary Vee does the whole 6 years ago, this is what I said, and look at it now. Cool, right? That might not be your goal. You might just want to quit your fucking job, right? Affiliate marketing can do it for you. You just have to be patient and persistent, and you have to take the right steps necessary to basically set yourself up for success. So this was kind of just like a me and you thing. I just wanted to go ahead and showcase my income, give you guys a little bit of social proof, so that way with what I'm actually saying holds weight. You're willing to actually listen to it and apply it. Because there's so many gurus out there. Check a whole bunch of these people on YouTube. They're not making real money, right? They're just creating content, trying to sell you some shit, trying to get rich. Now, am I trying to sell you something? Absolutely, right? But I lead with integrity and intention. My whole goal is to say something that's going to change your life. For example, when I first started affiliate marketing, the only reason why I started was because somebody sold me a course from an Instagram ad. I bought the course. I didn't know what I was buying. I was sold on the lifestyle. I didn't even care about what I was going to be learning. It just so happened to be affiliate marketing. And then I got obsessed with it. And then fast forward 2 years later, 20 grand this month, 50 grand pretty soon, then 100 grand per month, and so on and so forth, multi-millionaire because somebody told me that thing. So there's people who really aren't getting results selling you shit. Me personally, I'm not trying to be like, hey, look at me, they're the bad guy. No, listen, I'm just letting you know that I'm intention based and I want to change your life and I help you. That's why I try to go ahead and provide as much value as possible with these type of videos. So I'm done with rambling, guys. Appreciate you guys for actually watching this long. If you guys like this video, go ahead and show your boy some love. Support your boy. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Look forward to seeing you guys. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want me to make more like it, make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to join the fam and click that notifications bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you're tired of working a job, if you want to freaking fire that boss, live life on your terms, and never have to work a 9-to-5 ever again, click the first link in the description to learn the best way to make money online right now. Until next time, Eric Ellis, the Wolf of Marketing, checking